Hello and welcome to Intuitive Gems. My name's Desiree and I'm participating in the 31 Days of Tarot Challenge, which is a challenge throughout the month of January 2019 where you have daily video prompts from Ethony. And if you are interested in learning more about the challenge or maybe following along, I will have more information down below. Now today's prompt is all about tarot books. Now, the original prompt is to share 5 tarot books that you read or got rid of or purchased in the year of 2018. And I actually don't have 5 tarot books, but I do have one book here that I really would like to share with you. Now, I have been studying tarot for, I want to say, close to 2 decades now. And I have gone in and out of my practice, as many of us do. And so whenever I see books that can help me learn the cards and learn how to be in touch with my own intuition better, I'm all about it. Now, I have heard so many good things about Dusty White's The Easiest Way to Learn Tarot Ever. And I have to say that I totally agree with the title of this book. Now, this is actually my second copy of the book. I had one that I bought a few years ago, and actually, I don't know what happened. I moved, and I ended up losing the book. I don't know if it got thrown out, whatever. But so I had to buy another copy. But what I love about this book is that Dusty's approach to learning the tarot is all about not being so restricted by generic meanings of each card. In other words, he really teaches you to tap into your intuition and to use your own knowledge of the cards and your own experience to create a story when you're doing a reading and when you are either creating a spread or arranging a spread. Now, he has a lot of fun exercises that you can do that help you learn the cards and help you recognize certain things about certain cards. So I kind of think that it's a blessing that I lost my first copy of this book, because now I get to go through it again. And I do have a lot of people that ask me, how can I learn tarot, or what's a good way to learn tarot? Well, this is it here. I will have it linked down for you below in case you're interested in picking up a copy for yourself or for a gift. Now, Dusty White also has a podcast, and he also has a online or free online tarot lessons. So if I can find that information, I will also link that down below. But if you just get the book, you'll be totally fine as well. He also has a sequel to this book, which is called Advanced Tarot Secrets, in which he goes into the next level of tarot reading, especially if you're interested in becoming a professional tarot reader. So, this is what I'm going to be sharing for today, for day 4 of the 31 Days of Tarot. If you have read this book, or if you've worked through it, I'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback down in the comments below. And if you are following along, or if you are making videos for the challenge, please let me know that as well, so I can come check out your videos. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.